Good evening, and thank you for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet 1 forecast. We talked at 6 and 10 about some tropical moisture making its way in and the chance for some of it to get a little bit more organized as well. So we'll take a quick look at that here in just a little bit. First, it's about 80 degrees right now at about 10:45 this evening. Partly cloudy skies across Bryan College Station, really all across the Brazos Valley. It's gotten a little more breezy over the past hour, especially for Brenham and Belleville, but it shouldn't get a whole lot more breezy than that. About 14 miles per hour out of the south and east right now in Brenham. Speaking of Brenham, almost got 2 inches of rainfall here earlier today. So that's what we could see here for our Sunday as well. Isolated amounts close to about 2 inches. And then the real heavy rainfall likely to come on Monday and going into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Quick look at the satellite and radar across the state. Pretty good line of thunderstorms across far west Texas and then towards the Panhandle as well. That should fall apart before it gets even close to the Brazos Valley. What we're really looking at is this tropical system here just around the Yucatan. We talked a little bit earlier about how there's about a 50-50 shot of any development here, any organization with that over the next 5 days, now up to about 60% here, the newest outlook from the National Hurricane Center. So we're going to see that moisture no matter what. The question is whether or not we'll see it be a little bit more organized as soon as it gets to us. So here's what we're looking at as far as rain chances go. Really, whether or not that strengthens or not, we're going to see pretty good chances for rainfall, especially in the afternoon hours here. You look towards the left of your screen and see the afternoon rain chances are the best, especially Sunday and going into Monday. If we do see some organization with that tropical system, maybe see a tropical depression or even a tropical storm, that's when we could see more than just a heavy rain threat, but possibility of some, in addition to heavy rain, some stronger winds and possibly some hail with that as well. And then as we go into our pinpoint forecast here for tonight, again, a spotty shower definitely a possibility, but as we go into the morning hours for our Sunday, right when that sun comes up, that's when we're going to see some more rain chances here for us. So some of us even got the higher rainfall totals in the morning hours, and then we're good for the rest of the day. That could happen again here for your Sunday, but a better chance for some thunderstorms going into the afternoon hours. Nothing too crazy expected with that. Again, heavy rain is going to be the main threat with that. Going into Monday, we can expect just about the same thing. Pretty calm conditions to start our Monday morning, but again, once that sun comes up, be ready for a little bit of rain to pop up pretty quickly. Rainfall totals a possibility of about an inch, localized amounts of even more than that, especially as you go a little bit farther south and east. A low of about 74 for us tonight across most of the Brazos Valley, and then as we go into tomorrow, we'll be in the mid to upper 80s. We'll probably see a little bit of sunshine, but again, if you have any of those outdoor plans, be ready for a little bit of rain as well. 60% our chance for Monday, and then going into Tuesday, that's when we're looking at the better chance of that all-day rain. If we do get a tropical system, that is likely when we will see it get here. We'll talk more about that here in the coming days here, and for your latest, you can always go to kbdx.com/weather.